We guide you through how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working. First, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and make sure it's turned on. And if it's already on, toggle it off for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Next, restart your iPhone by holding the power button and sliding to power off, then turn it back on after a few seconds. If the issue continues, go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset Network Settings. This will refresh all network connection, including Bluetooth, without deleting your data. After rebooting, try pairing your device again by placing it close to your iPhone and ensuring it is pairing mode. If it still won't connect, forget the device by tapping the eye icon next to its name in Bluetooth settings, then reconnect it from the scratch. Also make sure your iPhone is updated by going to Settings, General, and Software Update because outdated iOS can cause Bluetooth issues. And finally, if nothing works, reset all settings to clear hidden system glitches. Follow these steps carefully and your Bluetooth should be working again and ready to connect to your device smoothly.